my block. Look at him just looking back and forth. He ain't even scared. He ain't even scared, bro. The dudes out here in Edwardsville, bro, they be thugging, bro. They don't even care. He ain't even got no other dudes around him. He said, I'm out here by myself. He don't give a damn, boy. Look, he just not dipped. Matter of fact, he ran to the next yard over. Bro, these dudes is straight up. 525 for 4 miles. No, sir. No, sir, ski. 525 for 4 miles. No, sir. It ain't happening. Let me see. I can turn right here. Hey Google, navigate to Edwardsville. Looking ass. We got $9. Oh shit, I activated my own Google. Ain't that a bitch? Damn. I tried to activate y'all phone. I just activated my phone. Dumb as hell. We got $9 for 9.7 miles, kids. Shit is trash. Bada bing, bada boom. Post up. You can get high if you take this order. You can get high mileage. Motherfuckers say, can I get high off cheap drugs? You can get high off this order. You can get high mileage on your vehicle. Better get that high mileage oil. Damn, we got 250 likes on the stream. Let's go. I might have to like it my damn self. Kaylee, did you want me to read that email on the live stream or did you want me to make a video out of it? What time you wrap up for the night? When the last super chat come in and they say, take your black ass home. I know I'm in the country, but damn, yeah, these orders be crazy. He pissed because he didn't pick up the Taco Bell. Nah, I'm good on that smell. Taco Bell for that taco smell. Send your stomach straight to taco purgatory. Taco Bell, Taco Bell. Yo quiero Taco Bell. Yo quiero high paying order. Kaylee sent me a screenshot. Oh, we got a good order, y'all. Check this out. No tip, no trip. Jesus Christ. 2 orders? Damn. DoorDash is diabolical. Let me take a screenshot. Whoa. Whoa. That's crazy. That's crazy. They got me messed up. Bada bing, bada boom. Taco Bell is great with an expert taco builder doing the cooking. What about the ingredients that's trash, though? What that do for the trash ingredients? Taco Bell always screw up the order. I never seen no double for only $2, right? How you got a double order? That means you get $1 base pay from the first customer and a $1 base pay for the second customer, and you get to drive a whole 5 miles. Wow. So not only do